Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Karen. Today I'm going to make another amber necklace, of course, turquoise and lapis, but I want to make it different today. Like less turquoise, more lapis. This way the necklace won't be too expensive, more affordable for everyone. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. And I want to show you this tiny cup. It's a pendant made with sterling silver, a new design from Vecchi, and they sent me this sample. Just want to share with you guys because it's really cute. Okay, here's what we need. Amber pendant, of course. The shape is similar to my pendants. Everybody loves this shape. Yeah. And the center bead on top of the pendant is a real turquoise, 7.1 mm, and small turquoise beads, 4.4 mm, and lapis bead, 4.1, and the braided cord in 0.8 mm, brown color. This cord is available in my store, DIYnotion.com. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.